Are you looking for the freedom to move but need a little extra support along the way? What if you could have the best of both a walker and a wheelchair in one single device? Today, I'm diving deep into the world of wheelchair-walker combos. I've spent weeks testing out the top models on the market, and I'm here to give you the inside scoop on which ones are worth your money. I will be counting down from number 6 to my number 1 pick, so stick around to see which one comes out on top. Number 6. Vocic Rollator Walkers Combo for Seniors. When I first got my hands on this one, I was pretty optimistic. It's made from aluminum alloy, which gives it a solid and stable feel without being excessively heavy. It has a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds, which is pretty standard for this category, and it's equipped with anti-slip footrests and a security strap to prevent any unfortunate slips or tumbles. So far, so good, right? The dual braking system is also a nice touch, giving you that extra layer of security whether you're walking or taking a rest. The comfort level is also something Vocic clearly put some thought into. The handles are height adjustable with 6 different levels to choose from, so you can really tailor it to your own height and posture. The seat is about 1.5 inches thick, which is okay. It's not the most plush seat I've ever sat on, but it gets the job done for short rests. The 10-inch front wheels and 8-inch rear wheels are designed for all-terrain use, and they do handle rougher outdoor surfaces better than some other models I've tested. Plus, at just under 27 pounds, it's relatively easy to fold up and toss in the back of your car. But here's the thing. While it has all these features on paper, the execution is a little uninspired. For example, the backrest can be flipped from one side to the other, which is great in theory, but in practice it's a bit of a clunky process. 5. Drive Medical Duet Folding Transport Wheelchair and Rollator Walker. It's a 2-in-1 device that combines a rollator and a transport chair, and it does a pretty good job of balancing both functions. One of the first things you'll notice is how lightweight it is. At just 20 pounds, it's one of the lightest models on our list, which makes it a breeze to lift in and out of a car. The Duet features locking flip-up armrests and a flip-down footrest that you can use when it's in transport chair mode. When you want to use it as a rollator, you can easily remove and stow them away. The backrest is also contoured and padded for extra comfort, and the 8-inch casters are suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The handles are height adjustable, so you can find the perfect fit for your stride. But, and this is a pretty big but, the comfort level is where the Duet starts to show its age. The padded seat is, well, let's just say it's not designed for long-term sitting. After about 20 minutes, I found myself getting a little antsy, and while the 8-inch casters are fine on smooth surfaces, they struggle on rougher terrain. I took it out on a gravel path, and it was a pretty jarring experience. You can feel every single bump and crack in the road, which can be a real pain if you have a sensitive back. 4. Helavo 2-in-1 Walker Wheelchair Combo. This is a newer model on the market, but it's already making a big impression. One of the first things that struck me about the Helavo is its sleek, modern design. It just looks and feels like a premium product. And at just 9.6 kilograms, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to handle. The Helavo converts from a walker to a transport wheelchair in just a few seconds, and the process is incredibly smooth and intuitive. The seat is spacious and comfortable, and the backrest is adjustable to provide maximum support. The all-terrain wheels provide a smooth and stable ride, even on rough surfaces. I took it through a park with a mix of paved paths, grass, and dirt, and it handled everything with ease. One of the standout features of the Helavo is its attention to detail. The brakes are responsive and easy to use, and the handles are ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip. The storage bag is also generously sized, with plenty of room for all your essentials. It even has a cup holder, which is a small but thoughtful touch. But what really sets the Helavo apart is its ride quality. The shock-absorbing system does an excellent job of smoothing out bumps and vibrations, making for a much more comfortable experience than some of the other models I've tested. I mean, you can still feel the terrain, but it's not the jarring, bone-rattling experience you get with some other rollators. 3. Elenker All-Terrain 2-in-1 Rollator Walker and Transport Chair. This is another model that has been getting a lot of buzz, and for good reason. The Elenker is built like a tank, with a sturdy aluminum frame that can support up to 300 pounds. But despite its robust construction, it's surprisingly lightweight and easy to maneuver. One of the first things you'll notice about the Elenker is its large 10-inch solid wheels. These wheels are designed for all-terrain use, and they do an excellent job of gliding over everything from smooth pavement to rough gravel. The shock absorber system also helps to smooth out the ride, making for a comfortable and stable experience. The reversible backrest and detachable footrests make it easy to switch between rollator and transport chair mode, and the wide seat provides plenty of room to get comfortable. But what really impressed me about the Elenker is its braking system. The brakes are incredibly responsive and easy to engage, giving you a real sense of security and control. I tested them on a steep incline, and they held firm without any slipping or sliding. The folding mechanism is also a breeze to use, allowing you to collapse the rollator into a compact size for easy storage and transport. Now, I did come across some reviews that mentioned issues with the front wheels, but I have to say I didn't experience any of that during my testing. The wheels on my unit were solid and stable, and they tracked straight and true on every surface I tried. Number 2. Akoasm Heavy-Duty Rolling Walkers Wheelchair Combo. This is a beast of a machine with a weight capacity of up to 450 pounds, making it an excellent choice for bariatric users or anyone who needs a little extra support. But don't let its heavy-duty construction fool you. The Akoasm is surprisingly nimble and easy to handle. One of the standout features of the Akoasm is its extra-large seat and wide backrest. The seat is made from high-density foam and is incredibly comfortable, even for long periods of sitting. The backrest is also ergonomically designed to provide excellent support for your back and waist. The 8-inch non-pneumatic tires are designed for all-terrain use, and they provide a smooth and stable ride on a variety of surfaces. The reflective strips on the wheels are also a nice safety feature, making you more visible in low-light conditions. But what really sets the Akoasm apart is its focus on safety. The brakes are incredibly sensitive and easy to operate, even for users with limited hand strength. It also includes an upright auxiliary cane for extra support when standing up, as well as safety straps on the waist and footrest to prevent you from losing your balance. Every aspect of this device is designed with your safety and stability in mind. Now, I will say that the Akoasm is a bit on the heavy side, and it does take up a fair amount of space when folded. But if you have the room for it, the trade-off in terms of comfort and stability is well worth it. Number 1. GOPLUS 2-in-1 Rollator Walkers for Seniors. After weeks of testing and comparing, this is the one that truly stood out from the pack. The GOPLUS is the perfect blend of style, comfort, and performance, and it's clear that a lot of thought went into its design. The first thing you'll notice about the GOPLUS is its sleek, modern look. The aluminum alloy frame is both lightweight and incredibly durable, with a weight capacity of up to 330 pounds. The 8-inch wheels are designed for all-terrain use, and they provide a smooth and stable ride on a variety of surfaces. The height-adjustable handle ranges from 33.5 to 38 inches, so you can find the perfect fit for your height and stride. But what really sets the GOPLUS apart is its versatility. The reversible backrest and large seat make it easy to switch between a walking aid and a transport chair, and the transition is seamless. The widened backrest and breathable seat provide a level of comfort that is unmatched by any other model I've tested. The obstacle aid pedals are also a brilliant addition, helping you to easily navigate over curbs and other obstacles without fear of tipping over. The GOPLUS is also packed with thoughtful features that make it a joy to use. The large storage bag provides plenty of room for your personal items, and the cane holder is a convenient place to store your walking stick. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.